Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. I'm super excited because last night I received a nice little goodie, and it's the Megan Racing Springs. Um, so I'm gonna be lowering the car. I'm up here early in the morning. We're gonna go ahead and head out to the shop and get this done. Because that's what we do when we get super excited with car parts. So I just want to demonstrate with you guys the gaps that I have and the reason I went with this, and then we'll roll out to the shop and get a few clips of of the install, and then we'll see the after effects on how it looks. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the front and back so you guys have an idea of the gaps that I have and the reason why I went with these. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're here at the shop. It's called Paris Auto Works. So if you're in the Miami area, you can go ahead and check them out. This is their business. I'll go ahead and I'll put the description below, their address and phone number and whatnot. You can come and see Paul. He gave me a great deal. Couldn't find it anywhere else, cheaper than this. So I'm gonna be paying about $375 if you pay cash, no taxes or whatnot. It includes an alignment. And I wanted to go ahead and take a few shots. I have to head out to work, so I can't really see when they're working on the car, but at least you guys can see how it looks before versus after. So on the back, like I had said to you guys, the gap is much smaller than the ones on the front. I can get like about 3 fingers, and my third finger is a little bit jammed in there. And then you have the front, which sits a little bit higher. And here I can get 3 fingers without having any issues. So once we have the springs installed, since this has a 1.4 inch drop on the front and a 1.2 inch on the back, what it's gonna create, it's gonna create a nice flush leveled look. That's why I went with the Megan springs. So the sun is on the way. Hopefully you guys can see the before. And we'll go ahead and take an after shot. And we'll go ahead and take it from there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start up on the work, and we'll see the end result once it's done. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after the springs are installed. Once again, in the front we have a 1.4 inch drop and then a 1.2 inch on the back. Some sites say 1.3 inch for the rear, so more or less. But on my car, it sits much higher, so I think the Megan Springs did the job, where it just creates that level look. Looks really nice. And we're gonna go ahead and do some nice drive-bys so you guys can see it, and fast speed, low speed, and whatnot, so that you guys can go ahead and see how it looks. Before we get into the whole drive-bys, I wanted to do a close-up shot. So this is the front. As you guys can see, you still have a small gap. It's about a 1 finger. No rubbing, turning, everything. The springs are really good. They feel just like stock when you're driving. Feels very comfortable, very good. And on tight turns and whatnot, it actually feels much better. Better handling overall altogether. So this is the front. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rear, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started on the drive-bys. And there you have it, guys. This is the rear, and looks real nice. Everything is nice and leveled, about the same, and 1 finger gap. Again, no rubbing, and it feels real great. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the drive-bys, and we'll wrap this up. Here's a front shot. Shout out to Crooks Moto for all their vinyls and mods. Also for the Megan Springs, we have the fog light overlays. Don't forget to go ahead and check those out. And all the overlays from Crooks Motorsport, 20% off on Boosted Whips. And this is a front view with the Megan Springs. Looks really great, very aggressive. It's a nice even drop. I'm gonna go ahead and show the back, and we'll go ahead and get started on those drive-bys. Alright, this is the back view shot. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on those drive-bys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the drive-bys and this video. If you did, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. As always guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support and everything you guys have sent me. It motivates me to continue doing this build. From the beginning, I had positive, negative feedback, and all this has, become and evolutionized. So I really appreciate everything you guys have done, and shout out to everyone out there who supports this build. And thanks for watching again. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.